Hey everyone, welcome to my channel where we learn, explore, and grow together. Today I'm sharing how my Linux journey began. From being a Windows newbie figuring things out to discovering what real control feels like with open source. If you're new to Linux or just curious, this one's for you. My first PC build was in July of last year, and no, it wasn't for gaming. I built it because I wanted to understand how computers actually work and pick up some real skills. The shop installed Windows 10 Home just for testing, but once I understood the basics, I upgraded to Windows 11 Pro. It was new, it was shiny, and I thought if I'm going to learn, why not learn the latest version? But slowly I started dealing with updates, telemetry, and privacy settings. I came across this meme once, and it got me thinking, what's Linux really about? At first, I thought Linux was just Kali Linux and a bunch of cybersecurity tools. I had no idea there were actual desktop-friendly Linux distributions made for everyday use. I mean, sure, I heard of Ubuntu, but I had no clue which distro a beginner should even start with. After a lot of searching, I finally decided to try Linux Mint and installed it on a tiny 40GB partition of my NVMe SSD with just a few clicks. And honestly, within a few weeks, I was hooked. The Cinnamon desktop felt familiar but gave me way more control and customization than I ever had on Windows. I liked it so much, after 2 weeks I wiped my drive and switched completely to Linux Mint as my main system. Then came the real learning, package management. I learned about apt, Flatpak, and how Linux handles software differently. Of course, there were challenges like running exe files, but each hurdle taught me something new. I realized Linux isn't hard, it's just different, and it's built around giving you control. When my 500GB HDD failed, I was left with just the SSD storage, and then when Linux truly shined. By October of 2025, I switched to Pop! OS, and wow, it felt modern. Mint was classic, but Pop! OS had this sleek Mac OS-like polish. Even though it used more RAM, it felt smoother. I learned how each distro balances performance, design, and usability. Pop! OS kept my system light and responsive even with limited space. I have been exploring distros in VirtualBox, Debian, Manjaro, and more. Debian feels rock solid, while Arch-based systems are bleeding edge. For now, I'm staying with Pop! OS 2204, but I'm excited for System 76's new desktop environment coming soon. Linux has shown me that you don't need powerful hardware to unlock ideas, just need curiosity. If you're curious about Linux, start small, explore at your own pace, and enjoy. I'll be jumping into Debian next, testing out desktop environments like GNOME, KDE Plasma, so stick around if you want to join the journey. Thanks for watching. This is Cronin. Remember, stay curious, keep learning, and keep booting up new ideas.